Hi, so this is my 2019 Corolla, and we're having a bit of a problem here, as you could hear that rattling after. So the goal is to try to fix that. I do think there's something in the door. My guess is going to be that it's a little nut off of the side mirror. Like, the side mirror screws in. I think one of the nuts may have fell off. That's my guess. Could be anything, though. I'm going to show you how to take off this door panel. This is a 2019 Corolla. It's going to be the same for a lot of vehicles, but let's get straight to it. All you're going to need is a plastic pry tool and a Phillips screwdriver. We should be able to get it done with those simple tools. Pop this out first. Come from the back of the door handle. And it's a bit easier there. And you got one screw. So one bolt there. So now we have to get this done. Here, be careful, you don't want to rip your leather. Everything sounds like it's breaking, but it's usually not, thankfully. You got two plugs here. One. I like to use the plastic tool sometimes to help me wedge these out. Two plugs there, and that comes out. So next we need to get this piece off, also pries out. You don't want to just pull from the end because you might actually snap that, but you could be pretty rough with them most of the time. Got one screw here. I don't see the obvious culprit yet of what's rattling in here, but I'm going to find out. I hope it's something obvious. This screw is pretty long there. All right, now that we have that done, let's go ahead and pop this out. Again, this is kind of the scariest part because you do have to pull it kind of hard, but it's really not that bad once you've done it before. I'm saying it sounds a lot worse than it is because you're basically pulling out 9 clips behind this panel. It's better to go faster than slower when you're popping them out as well. Oh, I am missing a screw. Hold on, it would never come off. There's 2 screws right here. And I've taken this door panel off probably 3 times. One for the tent, one for the side mirror, and one for my speakers. This is like the 4th time taking it off. And we're still missing screws. Come on. All right. Now we're good. I know all you can see is my behind here. I'm not trying to show that, but we have 2 things that lock right here, or 2 wires that come through for your door handle. So you just want to unclip them. It's very simple. I won't quite be able to show you, but you just pop them out. I mean, it's very simple. You just pop them out and slide these little balls up. If you can see that. We're going to gently set this down over here. After you take your door panel off, you want to make sure you have 9 clips. So you should have 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you don't, they're probably still stuck in your door. So you just go take them out over there and put them in over here. Okay, so I don't see what the obvious verdict is. I totally still hear it inside. Yeah, it's got to be in there. I could take this off. I really didn't want to. I might go taking the speaker off. So I've never quite taken this off before, but I'm just spinning all these to the left and hoping it's gonna, yeah, it's totally releasing it, so that's cool. I have a tool to get these off. This will come with any plastic trim remover kit, one of these. So we're gonna pry these off. Oh, okay. Ooh, got it. Okay, good stuff. So pop this out. See if we could see in here. I'm gonna grab a flashlight. This headlamp was the fastest thing I could find, so that's what I'm going to use. So I don't see anything in here, but I do hear it coming more from this side. Just making sure everything is tight. I have a feeling it's something that fell there. I really think it's there. So yeah, I think I'm gonna grab a socket set and we're gonna take off that speaker. I got my 10mm ratchet here, and I'm gonna just take this off and see if we could just see it right there. It's not a loose bolt. Oh, wow. I see. So it's a bracket for the door. Like, there's a metal just piece here. I'll come show you. You will see this metal bar right here. Now watch when I touch it. Seems like this car may have been in some sort of accident. And whenever they were rebuilding this door, I don't know. It was just held up with like some glue. Whatever tape that is up there. Whatever that is. So this is just loose. So we have to fix this some kind of way. So this turned out to be way more intensive than I hoped it would be. After seeing the problem with the bar inside, lost some adhesion on whatever they used, I'm going to go back with some JB Weld. So we got a resin, we got the weld here. We're going to mix these. I grabbed a little straw, gloves, of course. There's a bit of condensation inside the door. So I'm going to use this to dry it first off. Sorry that y'all aren't seeing a whole lot, but ultimately it's just a metal bar in here that's loose. It's come off its glue. I'm just trying to glue it back. At the end of the day, I'm just trying to prep the surface a bit, make it dry. I'm gonna try to prep this JB Weld here. I don't know exactly how much I need, but the more the merrier. I'm trying my best to do equal parts. Okay. After JB Weld, a little bit of Gorilla Tape, and some elbow grease, I think this is going to fix the problem. All right, after a lot more than I anticipated, duct tape, JB Weld, put in a piece of metal in the door back together, not a lost nut like I thought in the beginning. I believe we fixed the problem. No rattling, and the JB Weld should be curing even more overnight, so that'll be fantastic. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, something I did wrong, I'm sure there was something maybe you could point out, help me with. I'm always looking to learn. Go ahead and throw that in the comments. Subscribe, like, love y'all. See you next time.